32nd Coren Assembly has officially begun in Abuja, marking the first day of this year's pivotal event for Nigeria's engineering community. The 3 days event, which is the 32nd edition, commenced with the arrival and registration of engineers, guests, participants from across the country. Engineers arrived at the National Engineering Center, shared their expectations for the assembly.
No, as you can see, a lot of us are here. We are optimistic. We are looking forward to, taking engineering to the next level. And from what we've seen here, all states of the Federation is ably represented. And so far, I think with Coren, we are expecting that this year will be better than what we had last year.
I think it's been quite seamless, right? It's not like the normal stereotypical Nigerian thing. I was just there, boom, to check up my detail and straight up. I think it's one of the most time-saving queue I have ever been. So it's spectacular. I believe whatever work I've done to improve the modus operandi from the last year, let's keep doing it and keep making it better. That's it. So my expectations are just let us be enriched with the knowledge that we can use to build a better system.
The presidential cocktails held to usher in the 32nd Coren Assembly, which attracted distinguished engineers, dignitaries within the profession.
I must say that possibly for the first time, for a long time, we have already recorded registration. Virtually, we have recorded 800 virtual participants, and we have recorded over 9,000 physical participants. Our target is, by the time we close the registration by tomorrow, we are targeting a total of 11,000 participants, both physical and virtual. I would like to once again welcome all of us to this very, very important get-together that will usher us into this year's assembly.
The 3rd and 4th of August will feature the opening ceremony, keynote speeches, technical sessions, workshops, and exhibitions. The 32nd Coren Assembly, an annual gathering that aims to drive progress in engineering practices.